Welcome to 6M's.
Hello everyone! My name is MJ Salvador, the owner of 6M's Beauty Lounge. Dito po sa 6M's Beauty Lounge, ang offer po namin, we have nails, lashes, Gluta drip, waxing, foot spa, at meron din po kaming gentles massage para po sa mga lalaki. At also po yung mga beauty products po namin, meron kami dito. Nag-offer din po kami ng mga juices like beauty milk and coffees po. We would like to invite you to come and visit and try our services if you are looking for nails, lashes, waxing, Gluta drip, and gentles massage. 6M's Beauty Lounge, located at A2GM Building, Magalang, Pandan City Center, Angeles City, Pampanga. Our open time is 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., Monday to Sunday. Hope to see you here!